Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at the Islander Just or Island Just versus my Tudor Date Day Oyster Prince. Don't really have anything written down or planned out for this video, but I'm considering selling this watch. I really haven't worn it that much and need to make way, need to come up with some finances for the next purchase. So I've been saying it for a while, but definitely need to do a sell-off here. And since I don't have a date just, but I do have a date day, Tudor date day instead of a Rolex. So just a quick little comparison between these two watches here. I guess you could call this a Sarb Just 2 or a Islander Sarb. It's the Seiko Sarb 033035 case. Very nice, well-made watch. I am noticing the one issue that I remember from last time is these edges of these center links are kind of sharp. It's a hard 90-degree corner. It's not a big deal, just something that I noticed again. But it's a very nice watch. It has the Miyota 9015 movement, 8 beats per second. It's just very nicely made. I do enjoy the display case back. Nice movement to look at here. The Tudor, of course, does not have a display case back. This is an aftermarket strap. This is a Strap Mill Canada strap. Strap Mill Canada. This is from the early 90s, I believe. It's kind of hard to see, but it does say on the case back here, what exactly does it say? Rolex. I think it says case by Rolex, Oyster case by Rolex, something to that effect. Maybe you can see it a little better on the camera here. And this does have a Rolex crown, a crown on the crown. Back when they made Tudors from spare Rolex parts, Rolex case, and put in an ETA movement. So this is a cool watch. I don't think I'm going to sell this. I like this watch. I'm going to hold on to this for a while yet here. So just a quick little video here, looking at these two side by side, and I have my calipers here, so I'll take some quick measurements. I know I have this written down somewhere in my book, but let's take some quick measurements this way. I believe it's 38 millimeter. She's probably close to the 38 millimeter thickness on it. 10.3 lug to lug. It's 43.7, 44.5. I might measure the crown size while we're here. 6.4. Does have a signed crown. I have a little smudge on here, or maybe a scratch. I guess I scratched it somehow. I don't know how that happened, but like I said, hardly ever wear it. So there's the specs on that. Let's see what this measures at. I think it's 36. Yep, 36 on the nose, basically. There we go, 36. Lug to lug, I think it's a little bit longer. Nope, nice and small at 44. Thickness is 11.8. This is from the case back to the acrylic crystal. Not measuring the Cyclops here. I don't know if anyone ever measures the Cyclops. So about 12.5 with the Cyclops. 20 millimeter lug width, which is nice. The new Explorer, which I have my name on the list for, that has 19 millimeter lugs, and it tapers down to 14, which seems really small to me. Let's see what this one does. 20. Ooh, come on. Yeah. Now you know why I don't do this on camera. There you go. 20 down to, I think, 16. Yep, right about 16. So I'll put both these on wrist, and we'll close out the video. I do like this little bevel on the case as well. Kind of makes the case look a little thinner. But it's a neat little detail. You have that brushed, polished, and then polished on the sides. I'm going to have to look up the model number for this watch. It's ISL-something. And I forgot the model number for that Tudor too. I have it somewhere. But I'll put it in the title and the video description, obviously. Islander Just does not have drilled lugs. But then again, neither do the new Rolex Date Just. So this is in between the Date Just sizes. Date Just right now is 41 is the largest, and then there's the 36, and I believe there's a 34, and maybe a 31, and then 28. I don't remember the smaller numbers. I'm mainly looking at 41 or 36. I really wish they had something in between. That also goes for the Oyster Perpetual, and then the Explorer. Well, right now they have the 36 Explorer. The 39 was just discontinued. And then the Oyster Perpetual is either 36 or 41. 41 I feel is too big, and 36 I feel is too small. Something like this I think would be a great size if Rolex made a watch this size. I know they had the 39 Oyster Perpetuals. They had the 39 Explorer, which I tried to get. My name is still on the list, technically, I guess, but Rolex isn't making that watch anymore. So here we go with the 36 and the 44 lug to lug. I need to wear this watch more often. I like the look and feel of this on the strap mill Canada leather strap. Signed buckle as well. Yeah, on camera it looks like a good size for my wrist. I think the dial's larger on this. I've been wearing my 36mm Explorer clone, and it just seems like it's a little bit too small, but this one looks pretty good. So anyway, just a quick little video here. As always, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. If there's anything else you'd like to see, some comparisons, let me know. I'll try and do that for you. But I'll be putting this watch up for sale soon. All right, talk to you guys next time.